Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is an update on our cracked window, so stay tuned. So as I said in a previous video, we had an issue with the window being cracked, this one here. I did do a temporary fix on it, which was in that video. However, a warranty claim was submitted via my dealers, which is Stuart Longton Caravans in Chorley. They followed it up very well for me, and I'm pleased to say that the window has now arrived from Swift, and today it's going to be replaced. Now Stuart Longtons have kindly allowed us to film the technician replacing the window, so come and join us as we get our window. So as promised, we're at Stuart Longton's and I'm with Alan, one of the technicians, and he's going to be fitting the window, so I'm going to step out of his way and let him get on with it. And that's it done.
That's it.
Just testing it now, just make sure it's fitting. It's looking good to me.
That's it.
And there we go, one new window. Well, there you go. If you'd have blinked, you'd have missed that. It was very quick to replace. Very impressed. I'd like to thank Stuart Longtons for allowing me to film, and also I'd like to thank Katie in the warranties department for making sure that we got the replacement. It was very good of her, much appreciated, and I've nothing more to say really, apart from thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.